Alright, so this is for Steve on TikTok. I figured I wanted to show this to you. Just the kit that was used in the motor. So this is an AC motor that he used. I can't see much about the motor there, but same company that made the controller, and you can see the controller back here. But this is an old kit, 2008. And he I guess used an AC system instead of the DC, the Curtis controller and DC motor. But I got it plugged in to my computer. We are able to get it programmed with the serial connection, and we just got her hooked up to our monitor here, and we're monitoring a little what's going on. You can see if I push the pedal, so I'm sure you can hear the vibration on that. I don't know if it's on the flywheel or what, but it's a pretty harsh vibration, especially in neutral. When you're in drive, you don't quite feel it as much, but you do feel it, especially really hard when you hit really high RPMs when you're driving. So I just figured I'd show that to you, just kind of to get your feedback and input on this system. I do got to try to program this old controller so that the regenerative braking charges it higher than what it does, because I'm probably going to try to get closer to the voltage limits of the controller, which is 400 volts. And same with the motor. I probably want to try to get a little bit closer to that, and the regen will top it off at just about the voltage it's at now. That's why it doesn't regen very hard, because I just unplugged it from the charger. So anyways, thought you'd find this interesting if nobody else does.